Welcome to LeonCo and welcome to your weekly financial persona. Welcome to LeonCo and your weekly financial persona for this week is Bernard Arnault. Bernard Arnault was born in March 5th, 1949. He's a French entrepreneur and investor, and his net worth is whops around $105.2 billion. Bernard is the chairman and CEO of LVMH and Christian Dior, a small company that maybe you've heard about. He oversees an whopping empire of over 70 brands that include Louis Vuitton and Sephora. You can mainly notice that he has invested most of his money in what we call fashion enterprises and beauty products. Well, he's also the visionary behind the amazing Louis Vuitton Museum near Paris, and Bernard was one of the pledgers that pledged in the 2019 Notre Dame fire for the church, and he pledged over $220 million for this cathedral. So Bernard Arnault is our financial persona of the week. We suggest that you find a little more information about the Bernard Arnault and the Arnault family, because they are one of the richest and wealthiest families around the world to this day. So I hope you guys like your financial week persona of this week, and always remember to have that king mentality.